Hi, so this is just a little extra review, and it's a decent website I found to kind of help play around with this stuff. So it's called mathisfun.com in the geometry tab under parallel lines. And so it basically goes in detail on all the information you need. It talks about what lines are and what has to be, something has to be a parallel line. And there's even a few little things you can do like right here. See, I'm supposed to be drawing a line parallel to this, so it's not quite working. But if I do this, hey, I drew a parallel line. And you can keep kind of playing around until you get the hang of what it means to be parallel. See? And then we get to what I really care about. So pairs of angles. So when parallel lines are crossed by another line, which is called the transversal, you can see that many angles are the same in this example. So there are different pairs of angles. So down here is a pretty handy thing because it kind of highlights what and shows you what you're looking at. So the transversal is highlighted in yellow right now. If I click on parallel lines, it shows you those. If I click on vertical angles, it shows you a pair of vertical angles. And it shows you the next one. So it shows you all the vertical angles. So it'd be a good way to kind of help you see what's supposed to be vertical. Corresponding angles. It shows all four pairs of corresponding angles. So that's handy. Alternate interior shows the two pairs of those. Alternate exterior. Consecutive interior is our same side interior, but it also shows you that they're supplementary and you can add them together to equal 180. There's a few other angle pairs that aren't on here, but they might be here somewhere. Okay, so this one's kind of nice because if you take this, you can drag it around and play around with angles so you can kind of see what angles are always congruent. Because, yeah. I can slide around wherever, and even though it gets a little messy sometimes, I mean, it shows you even when they're all 90. It's just kind of a good way so you can see where all these are. Also, technically speaking, if you were doing like a practice homework problem, you could line up one of these. Let's say one of your angle was 55 degrees. Boom. Now you have them all there. And then you can also look at just the corresponding angles, stuff like that. So it's pretty handy to practice with. And here's just some ways to test and say they're parallel, but that's fine. And then here's the examples of when they are and are not parallel. So, and some practice questions, I believe. Yeah. So basically, this website's a good resource to go through and just kind of practice the content on your own. There's even, like I said, some little things you can play with because sometimes it helps to get your hands into things and kind of play around. Which again, this consecutive interior is same side interior. There's also same side exterior, so I'm not sure why that's not there. And there's also adjacent angles as well, but it's got most of it. So, all right. So if you all have any questions about anything, let me know. And you all have a good day and good luck with your quiz when you get to it later.